Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to show you how you can determine whether your timer is the cause for your dryer not starting. Okay, the first thing we need to do to determine whether the timer is the problem for our dryer not starting or not is to find out if it has the proper voltage coming into the timer. Now you're going to need the wiring diagram that comes with the actual dryer. Each dryer is going to be different as to which color wires are bringing that power in and sending the power out. This particular dryer, we have the red and the black are going to be our power coming into the timer itself. Black being the primary, red being the secondary. So we're going to go ahead and measure voltage to the black wire, to ground, which is the green wire or any of the metal housing around the timer. We have 120 volts. Now what we need to do from there is set this onto a cycle and push the start button. Now the dryer's not working, so we need to find which of these wires is sending power down to the motor. According to our wiring diagram, the tan wire is the one that supplies our motor with power. What we need to do now is with the dryer started, we need to test to see if this line is sending 120 volts down to the motor. Once again, we're going to put our meter lead on the tan. The other one's going to go to ground or metal housing anywhere. And we do not have any voltage coming out of that line, which tells us our timer is bad. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked you through the proper steps of how to diagnose whether your timer is causing your dryer not to start.